Hey guys, it's Josh with Versa Fitness. I'm here today to show you a really awesome kettlebell workout that you can do at home. You just need one kettlebell and you need a great attitude. All right, I'm gonna break down the movements for you. First one, this is kind of the classic kettlebell movement. It's called the Russian swing. So I'm gonna have a kettlebell out front, step away from it, feet flat, soft knees, break at the hips, nice neutral spine. And you're just gonna hike this kettlebell back like a football and then push through the hips. You can see I'm doing this correctly as the kettlebell is just kind of flipping up at the top. Second movement, goblet squat. You take this kettlebell, start it between the toes, soft knees, break at the hips. I'll show you guys from the side actually. Soft knees, break at the hips, and then drop the hips down. I'm gonna clean this kettlebell up, and I'm gonna squat. I'm gonna get my hips to at least 90. Stand back up, and just repeat that motion. The third and final movement today is going to be a single arm push press. Kettlebell starts out front like we did at the Russian. I'm gonna turn it sideways. I'm gonna put my thumb in, I'm gonna hike it back, rotate it around. Now I got it in this front rack position. Elbows in tight, knuckles pointing at the chin. I'm gonna break at the hips, quarter squat, push that kettlebell up, and I'm just gonna rebound that kettlebell for as many repetitions as I have programmed. Those are our three movements. These three movements together, you're gonna do a 15-minute AMRAP. AMRAP is as many rounds as possible. So we're gonna do 20 Russian swings. Once I finish up my 20 Russian swings, I'm gonna do 20 goblet squats. And once I finish up my 20 goblet squats, I'm gonna hit my 20 reps of 10 single arm push press with 10 each side. And you're gonna do that as many times as you can in 15 minutes. So just some quick common mistakes that we see. One with the Russian swing is that we try to swing it with our arms and we don't use our hips. And you can see I'm doing this incorrectly because as I mentioned before, the kettlebell would flip up. You're gonna see the kettlebell pointing down because I'm trying to use my arms. Another big no-no, and I'll do this without the kettlebell, is as we swing, instead of hinging, we squat. So I don't want to drop the hips, I want to push them straight back. Those are the two biggest mistakes that we see. As far as squatting, we got our kettlebell, and the biggest thing we're going to see is a knee drive forward. So as I do this, I just put a lot of unneeded pressure on the knees, but if I break at the hips first and then bend the knees, I can squat down safely, keeping my knees healthy. Lastly, with the single arm push press, another big thing we see is again the knee drive, and this is super common. I'll show you here, is that I see knee drive forward and then they push up. We want to break at the hips, then I can bend the knees, and it keeps everything strong and healthy. If you guys liked the video, feel free to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave us a message in the comments. Can't wait to see you guys again next Tuesday.